Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're outside the Walmart. It is another week, so another video about Walmart deals. There's tons of easy savings and we're going to be going over how to use the Field Agent app if you haven't used it. I definitely check it probably a couple times a week. There's a lot of users in my area, so I don't always get the best deals, but the app is super easy to use and it's super convenient, especially if you're couponing or going shopping and stuff. But if you're new here, hi, I'm Amanda. I'm the third shift couponer. I go couponing pretty much right after I get off of work, my third shift job. And we do have that subscribe button down below that's completely free. And if you're not part of my channel, I'd love to have you. There is also a printable breakdown just in case you want to print it out, take it to the store with you. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. All right, so the first item we're going to be grabbing for Field Agent is going to be this Healthy Skin and Coat. It is $15.38, so I'm going to get reimbursed that plus $2 because that's what it is after I submit everything. So it will be a $2 money maker. So just to let you all know, I did do these deals yesterday. I literally ran to Walmart to grab these. Just because with Field Agent, the offers, depending on how many people you have in your area and everything, they sometimes go fast. And I didn't want to take the chance of them being here today, especially this one with how good it was. So this is the other item I'm grabbing with Field Agent. It is the Gut Health Supplement for $14.97. So Field Agent will reimburse me for that. And then I'll get $2 for doing the offer. And then I'll submit, or I did submit to Ibotta for $10, and on Shopkick we have 400 kicks, which is $5.60, making it a $17.60 moneymaker. Now I just looked, and it looks like Shopkick did take the offer away, but you can still grab. There's 4 different ones on Ibotta. They're all $14.97, so no matter which one you grab, it'll make it $4.97 after the $10 rebate. So you can grab something like the Calming Supplement, or there's a hip and joint one. There's the one I grabbed, the Gut Health, and there's one more. I think it's Allergy Support. It's that one. So it will be $10 off, so $4.97. It's like 2/3 of the price off. So you can download the Field Agent app from the description box, or you can go to the Google Play or at the Apple Store to download it. And then once you make an account, this might be what your homepage will look like. The search tab is technically your homepage, and the jobs you have just depend on what your area is. And don't worry, they have their own little training videos and descriptions of each different kind of job, so that way you're set up for success. So as you can see, this one has some different jobs to do, or missions if you want to call them that. The category will only be there if there are jobs to do. So the home tab is your search page. Your work tab is all the work you've selected to do. Your earnings is all your recent earnings. Explore has all the options for extra learning, and your account has all the things about you and your account. Once you've selected a category, you can see the jobs that are underneath it. If it requires a specific store, it'll tell you how far away it is and how much money you'll get for doing this job. If you click on the job further, it'll tell you the time limit you have to complete it once you accept it. Each job you do takes you step by step on what you need to do and when you need to do it to set you up for success. I know this was really short, but this app is super user-friendly and easy to use. Like I said, there are tons of videos on how to do everything. Our next deal is going to be on Persil. You can grab the Persil Original, or I believe any of these, plus the power packs. They're all $5.44. You're going to use a $2 hang tag peely, whatever you have. If you don't have any, I'm so sorry. But you'll pay $3.44, and then you'll submit to Ibotta for $3, making it just 44 cents. These C4 energy drinks are $2.72. They are a preferred option, especially the Strawberry Blast. You'll submit to Ibotta for 25 cents, making it $2.47. Alright, y'all, we have a good deal on these Jimmy Dean chicken buttermilk biscuits. They're $5.22. You'll grab 2 of them for $10.44. You'll submit to Spikebucks for 600 Spikebucks, which is $6, and then on checkout 51, we have $1.25 back on each box, so we'll get $2.50, making them $1.94 for both boxes. Super easy deal. So it's on the Airwick starter kits, so you can grab the blue one. It's the one that comes with a plug and the refill, or you can grab the purple one, also $3.78. You'll submit to Ibotta for $3, making it just 78 cents. Really good deal on the blue diamond almonds if you like them. You can grab any of these flavors, I believe. They're $2.98 and they're all the 6 ounces. You'll grab 2 of them for $5.96. We have a BOGO offer on Ibotta, so $2.98 back, making them both $2.98. So the next offer is on these Go macro bars. I have it linked in the description box. We have a free offer. I forget who it's from, but it will make one of these completely free, and then we're going to submit to Ibotta for $3, making this a $3 money maker. Now, I've tried this through Flavor Wiki before. I had I think the chocolate chip one. I'm not the biggest fan of this brand, but for a moneymaker, I'm definitely not passing it up. This may be a repeat deal, but I feel like this is a good deal, especially if you drink soda, because it carries, or the offer is for like a okay, 3 varieties, but if you drink zero sugar like I do, you can grab it, or if you drink regular Pepsi, you can grab it, but they're $2.38. You're going to submit to Ibotta for $1, making them $1.38. Easy deal on this seasonal candy. If you like the turtles, this is the caramel apple flavor. They have pecans in them, just in case you didn't know, but they are $4.97. You'll submit to Ibotta for $1.25, making them just $3.72. If you like the soft soap, you can grab these refills. These are the 50 ounces, so these are the big guys. They are $5.97. You'll submit to Ibotta for $2, making it $3.97. Now, this isn't the best deal on this, but we haven't had good savings on Blue Buffalo dry cat food in a while. So this is on the Wilderness bag specifically. My store has 2 different options, but they're both $20.98. You'll submit to Ibotta for $3, and then on Fetch Rewards, we have 2,500 Fetch points, which is $2.50, making this $15.48. These newer Activia products, these are proactive. They are pre and probiotics. They're $3.97 for this 4-pack. You'll submit to Ibotta for $1.50, making it $2.47. Super easy deal. This is a repeat deal. I haven't grabbed these yet, but they do look good. They're the Oikos Fusion drinks. They are $2.17. You'll submit to Ibotta for 65 cents, making them $1.52. Y'all, these chicken were not by my regular chicken. This is in like the Asian part of the frozen section. I actually had to like hunt down these, but it's on the hot honey or hot orange boneless chicken bites or the Korean barbecue chicken bites. They are $8.47. You'll submit to Ibotta for $3, and then on Shopkick we have 700 kicks, and to take that kick amount and turn it into a dollar amount, you'll take the kicks, which is 700 in this case, times 0.004, and you'll get your dollar amount, which is $2.80, making one of these bags just $2.67. So unfortunately, my store is out right now. I don't know where else these be, and I'm not going to hunt them down, but these are the Kinder Bueno single chocolate bars. They're $1.72. You'll submit to Ibotta for 75 cents, making them just 97 cents. Alright, y'all, this is everything I'm grabbing today, plus this little space would be for the 2 vet or dog supplements that I grabbed yesterday. I'll pop up a little picture. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and everything worked fine. I forgot to grab my receipt from yesterday to show you the 2 dog supplements. I did purchase them. I have like the Ibotta and Shopkick screenshots to put on the screen, so I really did do them. So this is my receipt from today. I grabbed all 11 items that I showed you, and then the 2 dog things from yesterday. So this receipt, after all 4 of the Persil coupons, was $30 or $39.90, and you can see each $2 hang tag did come off just fine. So with yesterday's receipt and today's receipt, my total is $70.25. Now I submitted to Ibotta yesterday for $10 for the solid gold, and then today for $19.35. And I did hit my weekend dash cash for 12 offers for $5. Then I submitted to field agent for the $14.97 and the $15.38, and then the $4 for doing each offer or mission, whatever you want to call them. Some people call them missions. I just call them offers. Then yesterday for the Shopkick offer for $5.60. I can't believe they pulled that really fast. Like, usually they just lower the amount of kicks, but I didn't even see that lowered at all. Then to the Go Macro thing, like I said, that will be linked down in the description box, but it's $8.76 that they'll get back from that. So it makes my grand total for everything a $12.81 moneymaker haul, which is super freaking amazing. Now I did notice all those yesterday with the Shopkick, all those like solid gold thing supplements would have been a moneymaker. My dog normally doesn't like supplements, so the two, I didn't even know if he would actually eat the two I grabbed him yesterday from field agent. He seemed to eat one, but the other one he did not really care for, and I don't remember which one that was. So I'm glad I did. If that was a solid gold, I'm glad I didn't max that out. I mean, I guess I could have donated them. I didn't think about that. I should have just grabbed them all and donated if he didn't like them. I didn't think about that. That's my fault. Oh well. Anyways, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.